this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Samsung Tab A. Well, you want to go to settings, then you want to scroll down, you want to go to about tablet, so you click here. You will see the reset right here. You click on it, then you can do a factory reset right here. You click on that, and this will perform a factory reset, resetting everything on the tablet. The other way of doing this is that you turn the tablet off, you hold the volume up and the power button together, then you release the power button. This should take us right into the recovery mode. Then what you want to do here, you want to wipe data factory reset the device. Then as you can see, wipe data is completed. You want to reboot the system now. And basically that's how we do a factory reset on this tablet. I hope that this was helpful to you. For those of you who are panicking, your device should set up like when you just got it brand new. Bear in mind, if you have any Google account in your phone, this will affect you. You will have to re-enter your Google credentials. So make sure that you know your Google email and password. This may take a few minutes, so don't panic. And ensure when you do a factory reset that your battery is above 30%. So this is how you reset your tablet. Do like, share and subscribe. I'm out.